Hello everyone, welcome back to Prashika's world. So on this day I decided to make one of the most easiest sweet and the most quickest sweet, which is sugar-free barfi. Please take a quick screenshot of the ingredients required. It is very simple to make and it takes less than 15 minutes of preparation time. So these are the ingredients I have used. I am first using unsalted butter, around 50 grams. Then I've used some crushed badam, around 2 spoons will do, 1 spoon of cardamom powder, 200 ml of boiled milk, 150 grams milk powder, and I've taken sugar-free tablets. I've crushed it and I've made it to a powder. So this would be around 18 tablets. Now in a pan, I'm first going to melt the butter. And once the butter starts to melt, I will add in the boiled milk. Give it a really good mix and add in cardamom powder. Around 1 spoon would do. Once the butter is completely melted, we will add in our milk powder. Ensure you add it in batches because this should not form any lumps. So keep mixing them really well and ensure there are no lumps formed. From this stage, you just have to keep mixing and breaking those lumps if anything is being formed, and this needs to turn into a thick consistency. So if you see this is almost done, you'll still have to stir it for another 3-4 minutes and bring it to this level. So once you arrive to this point, you can add in sugar, but since I am adding in sugar-free tablets, I have closed the flame of the gas and I am going to give it a good mix. Once this is done, you can use butter paper and you will have to use this as a lining so that once you keep this for setting, it doesn't really stick to the plate. So I have put my entire mixture on this butter paper and I am going to garnish this with badam. So now leave this to set aside for around 30 to 45 minutes and it will be ready for you to cut into the shapes of your choice and serve it. I would recommend that you all go ahead and try this at home because this is the most fastest and the most easiest sweet that you could make at home with very minimal effort. So if you've seen the video so far, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for all your support, and until my next video, stay safe and stay healthy, my friends. Goodbye.